When it comes to caring for your car, Ness Auto Sales and Service handles just about everything. We provide general maintenance on-site and will tow to our location in the event your vehicle is rendered inoperable. Not to mention, our experienced technicians ensure all work meets the factory recommended settings and criteria. Don't forget to check out our selection of tires. We offer competitive prices even for our top-of-the-line brands like Michelin, BF Goodrich, and Uniroyal. Michelin offers safe, fuel-efficient, long-lasting tires that provide exceptional performance and extraordinary value. If you don't see your brand listed, let us know. We'll locate it for you. What's more, we stock high-quality auto parts and sell well-maintained pre-owned vehicles. Shopping on an even tighter budget? We'll accommodate you with our financing options. Whatever your requirements or preferences, Ness Auto Sales and Service has got something for you. Call us at 608-592-3848.